Hello, how are you guys? I hope all of you are fine. So, I warmly welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel, New Technology YT. So, we'll start our topic. Our today's topic is how we can manufacture biomass boiler. This is the biomass boiler manufacturers. So, we'll study how they can manufacture biomass boiler. We provide our customers with turnkey solutions, save labor costs, and enable the fastest possible assembly. Fast production time. Time is money. We have a class boiler manufacturer license. ASME TUV ISO 3834 certified etc. We are familiar with the standards of various countries. We can produce your products as quickly as possible and create value for you as soon as possible. Competitive price. We are a manufacturer. Our factory and steel raw material factory are in the same city, which means we can save cost and time in transportation. You will get high quality products at the best prices. Biomass boiler, turning waste into power generation energy. Exquisite production technology. ISO 3834 certificate. Appropriate welding equipment to ensure product quality and improve efficiency. Full combustion. Reasonable heat surface and burning device. Heat efficiency is 4% to 5% higher than national standard. Safe and reliable. Reasonable flue gases, speed, heating surface without ash deposition and no abrasion. Under the condition of no soot blowing, the boiler can work full load, high efficiency and safety in long term. Large capacity. The big and tail boiler furnace can be designed according to the different fuels to improve the burning rate of fuel and remove black smoke. High production capacity. Advanced CNC equipment is the guarantee of quality, eco-friendly and energy. All kinds of fuels such as wood, chips, bagases, palm husk, rice husk, straws. Industry veteran of high power biomass boiler. DHB boiler is a manufacturer for A-class boilers, biomass boilers, power plant boilers, industrial boilers, HRSJ boilers, waste to energy boilers, etc. and core related pressure parts. We supply boilers design, fabrication, installation, repair and maintenance. 20 plus year of experience in industry, R&D and manufacture. 6 certification to ensure that products meet local standards. Delivered to 36 countries and regions. How do I choose the right biomass boiler for my need? When selecting a biomass boiler, consider factors like heat, output, capacity, fuel type, and availability, efficiently rating, space requirement, and potential installation and maintenance costs. Consulting with a reputable supplier or installer can help you make an informed decision. Main technical parameters. Capacity range of boiler 6 to 160 ton per hour. Pressure range of boiler, low temperature and low pressure steam boilers, medium temperature water boilers. Thermal efficiencies 88 to 92%. Suitable fuels, bituminous coal, anthracite, lignite, lean coal, coal gangue, oil shells, biomass fuels, agricultural waste, coffee grounds, residues of traditional Chinese medicine, purpural residue. Range of calorific value 1500 6000 kilo cal per kg. Furnace box temperature 850 to 900 degrees Celsius depending on operation situation of coal combustion. Internal temperature of cyclone separator 500 degrees Celsius, outlet temperature of flue gas for boiler 145 degrees Celsius, carbon containing rate of bottom slack 1%, structure furnace, membrane walls, heat transfer medium, water conduction oil. Initial nitrogen oxide emission 200 mg per m3. Control method of NOx, low temperature combustion plus coupling of SNCR and SCR. Desulfurization method, addition of limestone or to the furnace plus fine desulfurization in the tail stage. Dusting method, high performance bag dust cleaning plus wet electrostatic dust cleaning. So thank you so much guys, our today's topic is finished. So we'll meet in our next video. Please follow, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much guys.